I'm Urvashi and we're at the magnificent ITC Grand Central Hotel in Mumbai. Welcome to the first ever L'Oréal Paris Femina Women Awards 2012 in association with Ras Vihar. Now, it's not every day that we get to meet the most loved and admired women in this country, let alone honor them. But that's exactly what we are going to do tonight. The stage is set, the guests are in, the media is awaiting. But before we start the show, let's take a look at the preparation that's gone behind making this a grand event. Tonight's gonna be a good night with a star-studded turnout. After all, two iconic women brands, L'Oréal Paris and Femina, have come together to make this night possible. The crème de la crème of the society will grace this very red carpet. तो चलिए मिलते हैं हमारे celebrity guest से. Well, as you can see, the theme of this evening is black and gold, just taken this grand setting. Can you feel the buzz of excitement, the thrill of anticipation, as if something big and momentous is about to happen? And just to give you a sense of how wonderful this awards night is going to be, here's a little preview of what you can expect.
For L'Oréal Paris Femina Women Award for Design goes to Masaba Gupta.
Congratulations.
I'd just like to thank L'Oréal and Femina, and there's three people that I really am grateful to for being here. One is my mom, the other is Sonam, and the third is Mr. Wendell Rodrigues, who's not here today, but these are the three people I owe my career to. Thank you.
Take it away and do what you do so well. Usha Uttap, ladies and gentlemen.
Darling, आँखों से आँखें चार करने दो, रुको ना मुझको प्यार करने दो. Wow! Come on, everybody get your hands. Whoa, Shyamak, do you want to come up here? PC. Darling, आँखों से आँखें चार करने दो, रुको ना मुझको प्यार करने दो. Darling, आँखों से आँखें चार करने दो, रुको ना मुझको प्यार करने दो. पीके बह बहारा, बेचैन जाने यारा बुलबुल, कभी इंतजार करने दो. Darling, आँखों से आँखें चार करने दो. Ladies and gentlemen, the gorgeous, fabulous Priyanka Chopra.
I'm delighted to have her on stage to give away the L'Oréal Paris Because You're Worth It award.
My association with L'Oréal, incredibly special, evident all through these years, going from strength to strength with each passing year. You guys have made so many experiences totally worth it in my life. Of course, Cannes is synonymous, where I get the opportunity to represent us on a platform of cinema globally. And of course, with Femina, my relationship really dates back to a Miss India title, which then gave me the opportunity to go on and win the Miss World title and represent us as Indians internationally.
All right, with that that, we come to the end of the first ever L'Oreal Paris Femina Women Awards 2012 in association with Ras Vihar. We hope you enjoyed a humble tribute to some of the most loved, admired, and iconic women. With that, it's goodbye, but keep watching Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.
Thank you so much.
Hello and welcome to Score Presents Sports Illustrated Swimsuit 2013 issue powered by Samsung Galaxy S4. मैं हूं सुप्रीत and I'm at the magnificent and serene Sea Princess Hotel in Mumbai and we're here for a very special evening. स्पोर्ट्स इलस्ट्रेटेड के एपिक स्विमसूट इशू को पहली बार इतने ग्रैंड तरीके से इंडिया में लॉन्च किया जा रहा है. सो नेचुरली द प्रिपरेशन टू वाज एपिक. टेक अ लुक.
Of course, it's much more challenging doing bikini wear because there's a lot of light that shows and you don't have clothes to cover and all the body parts are showing, so you have to be perfect.
Sport Illustrated as a magazine is #1 and it's got an image right up there. And for me as a hairstylist and my team, I think we had to live up to the expectations. But all said and done, the whole experience was fantastic and electrifying.
7 continents, 17 sizzling models, over 100 hot pictures, and 1 super cool magazine. Sports Illustrated के swimsuit issue के first ever launch में there's a lot of excitement as sports and glamour comes together. So temperatures will be soaring high, but before we take you through the evening, let's see what lies ahead.
Get a number, man.
This is the score counter. What's the score? Well, what do you know? Looks like I'd be the first one gracing the red carpet. Well, I'm all ready with my mic, and now we're just awaiting the celebrity guests. All right, with me now is Nikhil Chinnappa, and this is a great moment because when you're growing up, you want to be like a certain anchor, and then all of a sudden, you've changed roles, and you're like, hello, mister. What? You. Well, he's moved on to doing other things and a lot of music as well, which we really like, but what is it that you love about Sports Illustrated?
Well, today's the launch of the bikini edition, if I'm not mistaken, so I'm really looking forward to seeing a lot of men with hairy legs wearing polka dotted bikinis, and if that's not going to happen, I'm going to be really disappointed because I came here with all these expectations, and I hope I'm not going to be let down. Really?
Why am I not excited when you put it that way? I mean, men, hairy legs and polka dots. I should be happier than this. This is my happy face.
I remember memories from when I was a young boy and I should have been studying my homework, but instead I would wait year-round for the Sports Illustrated swimsuit edition to drop. I remember when I was a kid, there was like models like Elle Macpherson, and I mean, very, very good.
The great thing about SI swimsuit is that it was actually quite a key factor in legitimizing the bikini as a piece of apparel for women to wear on a beach.
First of all the way from LA to here, how does it feel to be associated with the magazine and your journey here?
I'm so excited and such a blessing to be here launching Sports Illustrated in Bombay, which is my hometown. I flew in from LA 2 days ago and I'm so excited to show Mumbai.
Mumbai is waiting indeed. What about you, Abdullah? You've seen the collection. You're going to do this, Bruno, yourself, be the showstopper. So What do you have to say about the collection and a designer here?
It's always amazing to do anything for B. She's like one of my best friends, and her collection can inspire anyone. It's beautiful. It's Indian. It's Western. It's sexy, and I'm gonna be wearing a swimsuit. I can't believe it.
Well, it may just be a biased answer here, but I want to ask you, which is the best bikini body around? Bruna! Who, according to you, is the glamorous sports person around?
I would say it's Sanya has always been my favorite.
Beckham, Jordan, Tyson. Tyson, how about Tyson? That's glamour that could rip your ear off.
Leandro Paes. I'm still a big Sachin Tendulkar fan. I don't know if he would feature in Sports Illustrated.
Sachin Tendulkar.
If you had to choose one bikini body, which one would that be?
Woohoo, for sure. Sunny Leone. Deepika Padukone.
Salma Hayek. You would do.
I love this man.
I would say Scarlett Johansson, but she's not answering my calls these days.
Look who I found, the very gorgeous Shama and Alex. What is it that you're expecting tonight, people?
A great party, lots of fun friends like you.
No.
What?
He's expecting some great bodies on the stage.
And that.
There's a very great body right next to you.
Indeed.
Well, I'm expecting a lot of hot chicks in very hot bikinis right there on the ramp.
I may not be in a bikini, but I hope I'm not disappointing you.
No, not at all. In fact, I've already imagined you in a bikini.
This man's all full of imagination.
Sports Illustrated bikini.
Well, it's actually Ambika Sanjana. She's one of my very good friends, so I'm here to support her.
You know, this time I really have to give all the credit to Nisha. She handled this show all on her own. I've been out of town. So I just came back in town. Very happy to be here and looking forward to a great show.
I expect to see some, I guess, some good styles of bikinis. Everybody thinks that a bikini is just a two-piece thing, but I'm sure there are many, many different ways of making them. I look at my wife every time and I'll go, and she'll go, and I'll go. And that's the way we work it out, yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's a very different language out there.
Yeah.
So I'm going to let you go enjoy your night. Time for a short break now, but you definitely don't want to miss out on what's next. So stay tuned.
3, 2, 1, and here we go!
We get a number, man.
This is the score counter. What's the score? Sports Illustrated Swimsuit 2013 का issue आज launch हो रहा है. So all you guys get ready for a sizzling downpour of international models in designer bikinis. Not that this is too bad.
The swimsuit issue is actually a special annual offerings from the Sports Illustrated stable. With over 70 million copies sold last year, it is supposedly the biggest media event in the magazine world and the single largest selling magazine issue on the planet. So I think this does call for a big round of applause. Can we hear it? Come on, everybody! I request our CEO, Mr. Piyush Sharma, to please join us on the stage with a big hand, and also our editor, Siddhant Ane, to please come forward. Swimsuit 2013 presented by Score and Samsung Galaxy S4. So, sir, could you go ahead and do the honors here?
Sonia Desai, this doesn't happen without you. Where are you?
Time to unveil this very, very awaited magazine in India. And okay, we're gonna do this with a countdown. So are you all with me? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go, ladies and
Well, the stage is set, the guests are in, and the party is just about to begin. So let's go join all the fun.
so cold. That's how I describe this sensational issue. Hot Kate Upton in the coldest regions of the world. Now she's given polar bear an all-new meaning. To find out what exactly, get your own issue, but later. For now, another round of bikini-clad beauties coming right up.
you on your dancing feet.
We get a number, man. Orange.
That's the one.
Orange. You're gonna come like this. She comes like this.
Works for me for tonight.
Welcome back to the first ever launch of Score Presents Sports Illustrated Swimsuit 2013 issue powered by Samsung Galaxy S4. And token of Galaxy S4, this is the in thing right now with lots of fancy features. Let me show you some. Samsung Galaxy S4 का ये feature mirror image allow करता है आपको to be in the picture as you click it, just like this. Well, I'm going to take my Samsung Galaxy S4 and hit the floor and shoot some party animals. Come with me.
To get you on your dancing feet.
I told you we're going to have a lot of fun, and to have that fun with me are two hunky men. Hello there.
Two official bouncers now.
Hang on, let me look all sexy. I can't be in a bikini, but then that's what I'll have to do.
You don't wear a bikini?
No.
Isn't every woman here supposed to wear a bikini?
Not every. The women on the ramp wear a bikini.
wore a bikini.
Anyway. No. Right now we're at the score counter. We've got the colors right behind. Ta-da! This is kind of a wheel of fortune. We'll see what's in the near future for you. Woohoo! Spin it, people.
We get a number, man.
This is the score counter. What's the score?
What happened to those suits? Orange, that's the one.
Orange, that's
There's
it.
no cheating in
Thank
this.
you, thank
I'll tell
Your
you.
host is officially ours, and we take her home. You're gonna come like this. She comes like this.
This is what they get. Come on, stop expecting a bit too much. One each. There you go. Are you happy with your little present here?
That works for me for tonight.
Well, as you can tell, the score counter is a fun counter, so we're going to see if people are going to come around and do this. This is what they get. The magazine. Woohoo!
Is she here tonight?
All cool, huh?
Is any of this girl, anyone inside, here tonight?
Ambika is here. Who designed the clothes? You want her number?
Meet Ambika. Thank you.
Boys will be boys. That's all I can say. First of all, how does it feel? Sports Illustrated in India, and the fact that it's the 50th issue now?
Well, Sports Illustrated is always something that's been close to my heart. As you can see, I'm not out in shape, so people who are in shape really look good to me.
What are the future plans now with the magazine?
Well, we're planning to grow from where we are to maybe 2 steps ahead, and we're actually very, very optimistic about the future. We believe the Indian man wants to see more about sport, more about beautiful women, and, well, I can't really blame them.
The fact that it's the 50th issue and now that we have the swimsuit, and it's a legacy that one has to carry on as well. So a lot of pressure there as well.
Absolutely. I'm looking forward to the opportunity when we can get actually the Indian models on the cover. And that is when it really becomes a big one.
Lots of fun people are having for sure.
Absolutely. So we are in the wrong place, really. We need to be there.
There's another question. How about the hottest bikini body that's around?
Okay. So
It's not the tougher one, isn't it?
Okay, then I'm not going to be answering that because then I lose my job with my wife, right?
No favoritism there.
That's Thirak.
First of all, how did you score this event?
It was ideally a perfect target audience for us. A score is for the youth, and swimsuit, we thought score and swimsuit would be an ideal connect.
Sports Illustrated is a great platform where we can actually work together and actually have mutual advantages with each other.
So what's the one reason that we chose this event?
Kate Upton.
So we know someone who likes the cover really much. Is it the polar bear look, I must say?
The polar bear look. Exactly. How did you know? I'm in love.
Sports, glamour, bikinis, babes and celebs. It was all here tonight at the first ever launch of Score Presents Sports Illustrated Swimsuit 2013 issue powered by Samsung Galaxy S4. Well, we do hope that you enjoyed the show as much as we did bringing it to you. But now it's time to say goodbye. But you keep watching Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.
welcome to the 12th edition of Times Glamour Style Walk 2013, presented by Asian Business Exhibitions and Conferences Limited. 7 leading jewelry designers, 7 varied fashion themes, and the most beautiful and glamorous showstoppers. Ji haan, tonight a women's 2 best friends are gonna come together. And of course, some very remarkable style statements. So without much ado, here's a jhalak at what's on for today. Guys, किसी भी big ticket event का सारा action शुरू होता है red carpet पर. So here we are at the Times Glamour Style Walk 2013 red carpet to welcome our glittering guests. And here they come. How has this whole magnum opus of the 12th Times Glamour Style Walk 2013 come together?
It's, of course, the effort of the entire ABEC team put together and support of the Times of India group. Everyone together has, we've sailed through 11 years, and in the 12th year, I'm sure, we've raised the bar of Times Glamour and many more to come.
I think it's fantastic. It's very stunning, very royal. At the same time, the clothes are something that I can wear as a modern day, celebrity.
Wonderful. Actually, I don't think I've been a part of it as such, and it's going to be not my first for Amy at least, and not even otherwise, but I think I'm enjoying myself with all that glamour.
Today, I think these are more than just best friends. I feel very special. Yeah, that's it. They're sparkling and they're dazzling, and I feel very, very special wearing them.
I would say to a lot of people who are watching the show that yes, this is the place to come if you are looking for jewelry.
Well, the stage is set, models are ready, and it's finally showtime. Kickstarting this glamorous event by an equally glamorous show put up by top jewelry designer Amar Ghana Singh and fashion designer Amy Bilamoria. What was the special theme of your show?
My showstopper.
Sweet. That's really actually very humble of him to say so. But for me, it was the other way around. It was all this wonderful jewelry that I have on me, and I was just flaunting it all over along with such a complimenting dress and such a wonderful human being. In fact, I'm very, very happy that I could do this for him.
What's that one USP about your collection?
My designs.
Oh, of course.
Yes, of course. That craftsmanship and the quality. All the three goes with the jewelry.
I'd like to say, he creates every design on his own, and till date, he looks into each and every piece. So everything that you will see probably it's completely his call of what should be what.
Just the beginning, because coming up next is Arena with a classic fashion show by designer Swapnil Shinde and his showstopper models. So take a look. What is that one USP about your collection?
USP is designing, finishing, and it's intricate workmanship. That's the main USP, and it's from the house of Benz that we belong to, and it's one of the leading jewelry companies in the country.
We have the craftsmanship, and this store is for 16 years, and the creation till 16 years is, I think it's up to the mark basically.
Time for a short break, but on the other side, more glitterati, more glamour, and a lot more fashion, so stay tuned. Welcome back to the 12th edition of Times Glamour Style Walk 2013, presented by Asian Business Exhibitions and Conferences Limited. Now it's time for the angels and demons to set the stage on fire. Quite literally, because ab aane wali hai ek unique theme presented by Ekani Jewels and fashion designer Nidhi Muneem.
Collection was inspired by the angelic side of all of us who are there, present around.
This was a very good platform to showcase the jewelry with glamour, and we've been a part of glamour since quite some time, and we were really happy to take part with them.
We are very well known for the customization of our jewelry. So we per se do not have any particular concept looking at whether it be maybe a cocktail piece of jewelry or a wedding piece of jewelry. We are basically into customization.
Well, our next show is all about you, because DP designers and fashion designer duo Riddhi Siddhi have made an attempt to bring out the star in everyday women. Let's see how. what was the one USP about your collections?
Basically, of this particular show, it was all handmade jewelry, and basically are a company which deals in about 10,000 different designs. So it was just a small part that, even not a small part, it was just a fraction of what we have.
What was the theme of your collections tonight?
Basically, we portray jewelry which is meant for every kind of woman. Women who come from different backgrounds, the housewife, the corporate, or the glamour. Which was seen in our show as well in the 3 sections. There were housewives there were people from the glamour industry. Kalki was there for us, who did an amazing job by dancing on the stage for us.
Okay.
So...
Well, that was nicely done, but moving on, we have flowing white gowns, colorful flowers, and the beautiful brides wearing exclusive jewelry by Mehta Emporium in a super chic Riddhi Siddhi collection. So how do you feel about showcasing your creation at the Times Glamour Style Walk?
It was completely our honor and privilege to do that. And honestly, the show went very nice and I was very happy about it. Very, very nice show.
What was the theme behind your collection?
The theme was actually the setup of a bridal, how the actual way it carries on, how they propose each other, how they fall into a relationship. And our jewelry is majorly about the whole bridal stuff and the relationship. So we basically concentrated more on that.
So what was the one USP about your collection?
Everything was heavy and everything's bridal. It was just for the brides, Indian bride.
Jewelry and fashion will continue to mesmerize you on the other side of this short little break. So don't go anywhere because the best is yet to come. Welcome back to the 12th edition of Times Glamour Style Walk 2013, presented by Asian Business Exhibitions and Conferences Limited. And now it's time for a very special collection, a lethal combo of Cappuccino Collection and Swapnil Shinde's designer wear on a very special showstopper. Take a look.
fantastic. I think so. This is a great platform and great opportunity for the jewelers to be part of this event. I think so. It was a really good show.
How do you feel about showcasing your creations here?
Oh, I loved it, and I got lots of appreciation after the show also. And I'm really very happy the way I've showcased my jewelry.
So, what was the theme behind your collection tonight?
Theme was, I think so, we, as in cappuccino, it's a Western name. So we always go on a fusion. My jewelry is very fusion. It has an Indian and Western touch. So we wanted to go with the outfit, which is gowns or long gowns, and we want to showcase our jewelry. So we have mixed match a little bit color. So we have 3 collection called Espresso, Latte and Irish. So we have showcased this Espresso collection, basically. It's all about fusion.
Okay. So what was that one USP about your collection?
They are very affordable, as in it gives you a big look and very price point.
And now it's time for the big fat Indian wedding on the ramp. You have to see how the stage comes alive with beautiful, glamorous, yet traditional jewelry designs by Deepti Amisha and collection by fashion designer Sugair Merchant Doshi.
She's great, she's looking fabulous, and I know my jewelry is good, but she has come out, she has carried it so well because she's
enhanced the jewelry. Pieces are good, but with her, it's become more glamorous and more beautiful. She's as vivacious as mentioned earlier, and she's gorgeous, and she carried our thing fantastically good.
What is the theme of your jewelry tonight?
It is a Patara collection. Once you open the Patara, you go on coming out, Khajana will come out.
So it is jewelry which is coming out from the Patara, which is very precious and
taking out Khajana from Patara.
So is that the one USP in your collection tonight? Or is there something else?
Well, I must say, like she said, the Patara, you open a little box and the gems keep coming and the jewelry keeps flowing, as you saw in the show. She had beautiful pieces, and really I started the show, I had a totally different fabulous set on, and then I came back and I had to change, and again she gave me a fabulous set to put on and go back. So yes, she's right about that. She has fabulous, really beautiful jewelry.
Glittering jewelry, contemporary fashion, oodles of drama, and of course your favorite stars. So this was an evening that had it all. So with that, we come to an end of the 12th edition of the Times Glamour Style Walk 2013, presented by Asian Business Exhibitions and Conferences Limited. So till we meet next time, stay in fashion and keep watching Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.
People don't take trips. Trips take people. This can't be more true than being at this island of luxury. Southeast Asia's most happening place, the enchanting Resorts World Sentosa at the Sentosa Islands in Singapore. As I entered the welcoming reception of the Hard Rock Hotel in Singapore, the tone was set for a holiday of a lifetime.
Welcome. Hi. Here you are, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Now I know कि Resorts World Sentosa Singapore को अक्सर लोग the holiday experience क्यों कहते हैं. I already feel like a rock star in my awesome suite at the Hard Rock Hotel. all settled in and we're at the heart of Resorts World Sentosa, Singapore. And guess what? The star-studded Universal Studios Singapore, the magical Southeast Asia Aquarium, the amazing Adventure Cove Water Park, and the dolphins are just a short stroll away from here. But my first stop, this very hotel. Hard Rock Hotel Singapore houses more than 120 rare and prized memorabilia around all 6 floors. From the classic blue overall that Elvis wore in Speedway to Eminem's Streetway for the young and the restless, it's all here. But this is just the beginning. Shahzan, hold on. You're going to be meeting many more stars at the Universal Studios Singapore in just a little bit. Didn't we all wish to visit a land far, far away or get lost in the lost world? Well, I'm at the place where Hollywood comes alive, Universal Studios Singapore. With my VIP tag in place and the attitude to match, it was time to enter the magical movie world and ride along the Hollywood way. And now Princess Shahzan gets priority access everywhere. Oh, did I just say Hollywood? And here I was, right in the middle of all things Hollywood. And here's something that's totally tailor-made for me. A t-shirt that says Best Actress. I'm gonna go try this on. I'm now ready for all the action. My first stop, Transformers, the ultimate 3D battle. So let's get on board.
Escape Megatron.
Oh my god, that was the most exhilarating 3D experience of my entire life. As real as it gets. Hobnobbing with these gigantic Autobots after an exhilarating Transformers ride was like meeting the stars just after watching them on the big screen. And now, it was time to get lost in Jurassic Park. I began in the thrilling Jurassic Park Rapids Adventure ride. Wow, that was cool and refreshing. I really thought I'm going to get drenched, but I think I survived. But how could I be at Jurassic Park and not say hello to the dinosaurs? After all, we should all overcome our fears. Well, at least, I tried. Well, next on my list was the ancient Egypt ride, where Revenge of the Mummy awaited me. A roller coaster ride where I was ready to come face to face with warrior mummies and scarab beetles. All the screaming and cheering has left me really hungry. If you want to treat yourself to an authentic Indian fare, the Oasis Spice Cafe at Resorts World Sentosa, Singapore is just the right halt. Set in the ancient Egyptian theme, it pampers your culinary senses with a delectable mix of authentic Indian fare. Feels like I'm all the way back in India. A home away from home. And now for my scrumptious meal. That's really good. After such a fulfilling feast, I couldn't wait to continue my day in Universal Studios Singapore. Next up was meeting my favorite Madagascar characters. And there you have it, the entire star cast of Madagascar. Up, close and personal. So Madagascar is one of my favorite movies, and here I am with all my favorite characters. Adding to my Madagascar experience was the King Julian's beach party go-round. I felt like a 5-year-old all over again. But I wasn't ready to grow up just yet. My next stop was the land far, far away. Popular for its star inhabitants, Shrek and Fiona. Hi. So my dream moment has finally come true. I'm the biggest Shrek and Fiona fan. What a crazy day. From screaming my lungs out to meeting some of the most iconic Hollywood characters of all time. I did it all in just one day. And trust me, it was the best 5 hours of my entire life. I bet leaving Universal Studios Singapore is one of the hardest things you'd have to do. Something or the other will keep holding you back. After so much action, I need some solid therapy, but the retail kind. The world's best brands await me at the Galleria. But to shop at the best, I have to look my best. So I'll see you guys after this short break. On the other side, join me as I indulge myself in a world full of luxuries and adventure at the Resorts World Sentosa, Singapore. Welcome back. I'm at the Resorts World Sentosa, Singapore, and I'm about to raid the stores. Come on. This is Galleria, a shopper's paradise loaded with some irresistible brands. Whether you come here with a shopping list or not, with over 45 outlets under one roof, Galleria will surely spoil you for choices. After a sensational shopping spree, I was up for a hearty meal. I'm at Ossia, जहाँ बनता है the freshest possible seafood and of course the world's best bread. Well, I was so confused on what to order on this menu, but looks like the chef has prepared something really special for me tonight.
It's a fruit punch.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And there comes a special meal that the chef has tossed up for me.
This is our very special flatbread.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So in here, there's two flavors. We have a macadamia pesto and garlic flavor with a butter and olive oil on the side.
Okay.
And then we have our own homemade smoked eggplant dip. Every day we change the flavor.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I'll just put it in here on top. Then I'll leave it to you. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That is really delicious.
So this is a very special dessert.
Wow.
It's a hot chocolate soup with vanilla pepper ice cream on the side and a sesame cracker on top. But you just be careful, the bowl is hot, yeah?
Thank
Right?
you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Oh my god, that is divine. After a scrumptious meal at Ossia, I definitely need a walk. But you know what? This is no ordinary walk. A few steps down the promenade and you find water on a romantic date with fire. At the Lake of Dreams, water dances arm in arm with fire. Perfectly timed to lights and music. And also to end my day at the magical Resorts World Sentosa, Singapore. It's a bright new day and I'm ready to be taken for a luxurious outing to the magical Ocean Suites. So here we are at the Ocean Suites, and I can bet that there's nothing more luxurious than this in the world. These exclusive Ocean Suites throw up a marine surprise as the black veil over the glass panel dramatically lifts itself. A room with a view into the heart of the ocean. Am I dreaming or is this for real? I'm in the middle of some 50,000 fish. It's a whole new world altogether. And I really wish I could stay here forever. I wish I could just take that one home. He's so cute. But there's more. An open living area in the upper level leads to this away from the world peaceful patio with a private jacuzzi. And to top it up, it has an upper floor. And this is what it means to relax in the lap of luxury. After a lazy day at my suite, it's now time for some splish, splash and zoom. This is Adventure Cove Water Park, thematically divided into 14 zones. If you like soaking up the sun, grab a tube and begin a leisurely ride in the Adventure River, which will take you throughout the water park without you having to walk. The total length of this river is 620 meters, and I'm enjoying every inch of it. After a ringside view of the Adventure Cove Water Park, it's time for the big splash. My heart is racing but I'm not the kind to chicken out.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'm now headed to the Blue Water Bay, a place where waves come, gently caress you, and before you know it, they take you along on a special ride. Relaxing at the cabanas looks like a must-do here, for those who spend a rollicking day in the rides like me, and also for those looking for a hideaway with family without touching the water.
So while I take my little afternoon nap, why don't you guys take a short break and come back?
On the other side, an unforgettable dolphin experience through engagement learning.
Yay! Round of applause!
Know everything about dolphins, their habitats, diets, and anatomies. And of course, more aquatic adventures at the Resorts World Sentosa, Singapore.
That little nap at the cabana was just what I needed. And now I'm ready to discover the dolphin.
Now, before you get introduced to the magnificent Indo-Pacific bottlenose dolphins at the Dolphin Island here, it's important to equip yourself with the right knowledge and information given through the unique program that inspires visitors to get a deeper understanding of marine life and to discover more about dolphins through engagement learning. And I am just getting started.
So what is going to happen? You will be going to water, there will be some activities you'll be doing with them. For example, kiss, hug, so yeah, basically for dolphins they are...
So I'm going to kiss and hug the dolphins?
Yes, of course. That's the main purpose here.
So I'm with my marine mammal specialist, Eliza, and I'm going to ask her a couple of questions because I'm really curious to know all the facts about dolphins. So Eliza, can you tell me just some interesting facts about dolphins?
Now, a lot of people think that dolphins are all similar, they all kind of look the same or they are the same, but in fact, they are very different. Their personalities are different, their characters are different, and the way they look is different. Their eyes are different, their body structure is all different. So that is a lot like us, because they have their own personalities.
Yeah.
And in fact, for example, even the amount of food they eat is different. Like, we calibrate their diets accordingly to how much calories they need, or how much herring, squid, smelt, and capelin that they need per day. So for example, the lowest diets we have are 4 kilos a day to up to 8 kilos a day.
So they're diet conscious. I like that. Very similar to me. So Eliza, can you tell me the aim of this program?
The aim of the program is basically education and conservation. By the end of the program, we let our guests know that the simple things they can do in their everyday lives, like reduce, reuse, recycle the use of plastic, can save some of these guys and their friends in the ocean.
Lastly, I want to ask you, who is your personal favorite?
Well, the trainers work with every single dolphins here. But my personal favorite is Sharmila, mostly because she is very mischievous. She is the youngest girl we have here, and she is just so fun and energetic to be with.
Wow, and I like her already because she's got an Indian name. Okay, so should we go meet Sharmila?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
jump on their own, but we do give them a cue. So that they know they are supposed to jump. Hello.
Hi. Oh my God. Oh.
Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Yay! Round of applause! Wow. There you go. Beautiful. Good job. Can I touch it? That's amazing. Here she goes. Oh, come on, a little bit further. There you go. Good job. Wow. Wow. Whoa, look at the window. Oh my God. Woo! Amazing. Wow, that's amazing. My first on-screen kiss. Wow.
After my enlightening date with the dolphins, I was ready to take the plunge into a psychedelic reef that's home to some of the most mesmerizing, colorful marine species. And I am meeting them all. Time to get up close and personal with all the fish at the Rainbow Reef. Follow me. I'm sure you caught all the hide and seek I played inside with those colorful species. Well, I'm definitely getting more and more obsessed with water. It's time to move on and see what other breathtaking experiences await me. All the wet and wild water fun I've had till now was just a trailer. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost. Don't get fooled by what you see on the outside. Once inside the Sea Trek tank, it's a whole new world of marine wonders. From a magical manta ray gliding over my head to a leopard shark sweeping right past me, it was close, comfortable, and completely worth it. Really amazing. Yay, I did it. My quest for more marine adventures has now landed me at the Southeast Asia Aquarium. I'm told it's the best way to spend a day in the ocean without getting wet. Wow! Oh my God! I've never seen something so beautiful. Love dolphins.
Southeast Asia Aquarium is one of the largest aquariums in the world, and it has more than 100,000 marine animals and 800 species, featured in 49 different habitats under one roof. The shipwreck habitat is the first thing you'll spot at the Sea Aquarium. It's home to many aquatic ambassadors such as the threadfin trevally, batfish, and other marine animals such as Goliath grouper and Napoleon Ross. It's a delight to watch them all seek refuge within and near the shipwreck. The glass barrier between you and the ocean vanishes at the Discovery Touch pool. A place where you can touch and feel these amazing wonders from another world.
My God, that is the softest thing I've ever touched. It feels like jelly.
A starfish, a sea star, a sea coral, a sea cucumber, a sea walnut, a sea spider, and a sea slug. You can touch base with all of them, quite literally.
And now I have an appointment for a round table conference with the sharks.
I'm at the Shark Seas, and as you can see, here is where the cabinet ministers of this magical marine land reside. I mean, the sharks. I've heard there are about 200 sharks here. The one who heads them all is the hammerhead shark, the star of the tank. And just so you know, there are about 11 hammerheads secretly vying for that top slot. The colorful marine life at the Sea Aquarium kept pulling me deeper into its magical blue world.
They look really funny. I really wish I could spend some more time here, but there's something bigger waiting for me.
At the heart of the Sea Aquarium lies the open ocean habitat, the largest habitat in the Southeast Asia Aquarium at the Resorts World Sentosa, Singapore. The open ocean experience brings you closest to the most diverse collection of marine life. This larger-than-life aquatic vista is home to gentle giants of the sea, including the leopard shark, Goliath grouper, sawfish, mahi-mahi, and a never-seen-before squadron of magnificent manta rays, and many more such amazing sea creatures. How can I be amidst the sea and not try the amazing seafood? My ocean obsession isn't going to get over so easily. There's something or the other that keeps holding me back. This time, it's the Ocean Restaurant by celebrity chef Kat Cora. A unique underwater dining experience by the only female celebrity chef in Singapore.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi.
I'm Chef Alan. Welcome to Ocean Restaurant by Kat Cora. Today I have prepared two dishes for you. This is pink shrimp and with watermelon, very refreshing.
Okay.
And this is chicken for the main course and chicken with escargot. Hope you like it.
Lovely. Thank
Please
you
enjoy.
so much, Chef.
Thank you.
The Ocean Restaurant is a must-try for many reasons. This underwater dining experience is a true treat to your senses. Its contemporary Western dining and aptly blended flavors will titillate your palate. And of course, dining in the midst of an impressive aquatic view.
Well, that makes it all the more special.
My grand dinner came packaged with a grand welcome right from the heart of the ocean. So unexpected and welcoming. I've never felt so special.
How sweet. These guys have really made my day. This is so unexpected. I think this is the best welcome I've ever got in my entire life. After an ocean of excitement, it's time to call it a night. After the break, let's indulge your mind, body and soul in the world's best natural therapy. Oh my God, this is heaven. Welcome back to Resorts World Sentosa, Singapore. After so much pampering in the last 2 days, all I need is, well, some more pampering.
Like all other experiences in Resorts World Sentosa, Singapore, beach villas too are designed for indulgence. And since I'm staying at the beach villas today, I get a complimentary access to Spa at Resorts World Sentosa, Singapore. It's not just a spa, it's the spa.
Oh my God, this is heaven. I've walked so much in the past 2 days. This is just what I needed. Wow, that massage was truly unwinding. And now, it's time for some more action.
I'm now ready to focus all the energy, on this Qigong class. In Chinese, Qi means energy and Gong stands for cultivation. Qigong is practiced to cultivate a perfect harmony between the mind, body and soul. Time for a short break, but on the other side, a menu that counts calories and a final goodbye to the magical world of Resorts World Sentosa, Singapore. Welcome back. For my final meal at Resorts World Sentosa, Singapore, I chose Tangerine, a place where health meets indulgence.
Wish I had something like Tangerine back home, so I don't have to count the calories. The menu does it for me.
I called for a special 3-course meal that was a perfect mix of health and taste. From the cured Atlantic salmon to some homemade green curry chicken with brown rice. And guess what's for dessert? Chilled aloe vera, some jello and calamansi.
Wow, that looks like a lot of food, but trust me, very few calories. Three days came and went by like a roller coaster ride. I had so much fun. I'll never forget my time at this beautiful dream destination. But now, it's time to go.
Well, my astounding affair with Resorts World Sentosa Singapore had come to an end. But I carry back with me tons of incredible moments, a lavish dose of luxury, experiences beyond imagination, fantasies worth a lifetime, and of course, my bags full of shopping. But I'm leaving behind my most prized possession here, my heart.
हेलो एंड वेलकम। इंडियन सिनेमा के 100 साल पूरे हो चुके हैं और इसी माइलस्टोन को सेलिब्रेट करते हुए आज बिजनेस ऑफ बॉलीवुड पर हम आपको दिखाएंगे पिछले 100 सालों की ट्रू ब्लू ब्लॉकबस्टर्स। मैं हूं मेघा, चलिए देखते हैं व्हाट्स कमिंग अप फॉर यू इन दिस स्पेशल एडिशन। First up, Bombay Talkies versus Shootout at Wadala. Which film is making a killing at the box office? We'll tell you in Sold Out. Then our special feature on Bollywood's top 5 classic blockbusters और उनके never heard before collections in High Five. Indeel Street revealed exclusively एकता कपूर के घर, ऑफिस और स्टूडियोज में पड़ी इनकम टैक्स रेट का सारा सच and more in Indeel Street. Also on the show, Biz Talk with multi-talented Ayushmann Khurrana. और फाइनली सिनेमा के 100th ईयर यानी 2013 की कुछ मोस्ट अवेटेड फिल्मों का वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस। इंडियन सिनेमा के 100 साल को सेलिब्रेट करती बॉम्बे टॉकीज रिलीज हो गई, पर उसे बॉक्स ऑफिस टक्कर दे रही है एकता कपूर की गैंगस्टर सागा शूट आउट एट वडाला। तो किसने मारी बॉक्स ऑफिस पर बाजी, चलिए पता करते हैं इन आवर फर्स्ट सेगमेंट सोल्ड आउट।
इस हफ्ते जहां इंडियन सिनेमा के 100 साल पूरे हो गए, तो उसी के साथ इस फ्राइडे बॉक्स ऑफिस पर रिलीज हुई इस साल की 2 बड़ी मच अवेटेड फिल्में, एकता कपूर की शूट आउट एट वडाला और इंडियन सिनेमा के 100 इयर्स को कमेमोरेट करती बॉम्बे टॉकीज।
कामसूत्र नया इंटर्न 3 महीने टेम्परेरी हूँ, बट अगर आपने रेकमेंड कर दिया तो परमानेंट हो जाऊंगा।
बॉम्बे टॉकीज एक फीचर फिल्म है विद 4 शॉर्ट स्टोरीज जिन्हें डायरेक्ट किया है अनुराग काश्यप, दिवाकर बैनर्जी, जोया अख्तर और करण जौहर ने।
लो आया 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 मैं हूँ मूवी मदारी।
इस फिल्म में रानी मुखर्जी, कटरीना कैफ, रणदीप हुडा, नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी और अमिताभ बच्चन जैसे बड़े और असॉर्टेड स्टार्स इस फिल्म का हिस्सा बने हैं टू पे अ ट्रिब्यूट टू इंडियन सिनेमा's 100 ग्लोरियस इयर्स। पर इस फिल्म को स्टार्स ने ही नहीं बल्कि चारों डायरेक्टर्स ने भी साथ मिलकर जम के प्रमोट किया है।
बॉम्बे टॉकीज का कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन है अ मॉडेस्ट 6 crores और इसे रिलीज किया गया है अक्रॉस 200 थिएटर्स इन इंडिया। इस एक्सपेरिमेंटल फिल्म को ऑडियंस थोड़ा कॉशियसली रिसीव कर रही है और शायद इसीलिए बॉम्बे टॉकीज की ओपनिंग रही है बेहद वीक, जो है बिलो 5%।
चाहे फ्लॉप सुन लो, दिल के छेड़ेंगे तार सुन लो।
बॉम्बे टॉकीज समथिंग डिफरेंट मूवी, जो हम लोग रूटीन मूवीज देखते हैं, रोमांटिक्स एंड ऑल दिस मूवी थोड़ी डिफरेंट मूवी है।
It's a good movie actually.
I like the part where the one which was directed by Anurag Kashyap. That was really good.
Disappointing. I think the first half was fine. The second half it went downhill.
बॉम्बे टॉकीज हाँ बॉम्बे टॉकीज, 100 बरस का हाँ बॉम्बे टॉकीज।
इसी हफ्ते रिलीज हुई है प्रोड्यूसर एकता कपूर और डायरेक्टर संजय गुप्ता की जॉइंट प्रोडक्शन शूट आउट एट वडाला।
2 वक्त की रोटी कमाता हूँ, 5 वक्त की नमाज पढ़ता हूँ, इससे ज्यादा मेरी जरूरत नहीं और मुझे खरीदने की तेरी औकात नहीं।
2007 में आई शूट आउट एट लोखंडवाला की ये सीक्वल बेस्ड है ऑन द बुक डोंगरी टू दुबई। 40 करोड़ के बजट से बनी इस मल्टी स्टारर फिल्म में है हाई ऑक्टेन एक्शन, फिल्मी डायलॉग्स, सेक्स सीन्स और रॉन्ची आइटम नंबर्स।
इस फिल्म को 1500 थिएटर्स की वाइड रिलीज मिली है। मैसिव प्रमोशंस के बाद शूट आउट एट वडाला को मिली है क्वाइट अ डिसेंट ओपनिंग ऑफ अ कूल 50%।
It was a very fabulous movie. Nice movie. Sanjay Gupta is put it. Should have Odala and should have Lokanath should be it.
It was very entertaining. Good movie. One of the best movies I've ever seen. बहुत अच्छी movie थी. Seriously.
John Abraham is all time my favorite. Should have Lokanath से बहुत अच्छी movie थी.
Because John Abraham has played an awesome role in this movie.
Sanjay Gupta has done a fantastic job. A total commercialized picture. टिकट विंडो पर ये पिक्चर आग लगा सकती है।
पर इन सब बड़े स्टार्स, फिल्म मेकर्स और डायरेक्टर्स के बीच एक क्यूट सी एनिमेशन फिल्म भी रिलीज हुई है जो अपने आप में एक ब्रांड बन गई है। जी हाँ, छोटा भीम एंड द थ्रोन ऑफ बाली है इस हफ्ते की एक और रिलीज।
Believe it or not, इस किडी एनिमेशन फ्लिक का बजट है करीब 11 crores और